Hi, I am Dr. Gaurav Patel. Today I am going to tell you about the Accuria HF Cream Gel. It is richly nourishing moisturizer, protective and skin repairing cream. It is available as 50 gram jar packing. It is manufactured by the Ajanta Pharmaceuticals. Let's see the indication in which we can use the Accuria HF cream. Skin condition like the cracked feet, eczema, psoriasis, corn, callus, thick, dry and dead skin condition like palmoplantar keratoderma. We can use in the nail condition like the damaged nail, onychomycosis means fungal infection of the nail, and ingrown nail. Let's see the ingredients of the Accuria HF cream gel. Its main contents is urea. It contains 40% urea. Apart from urea, it contains aloe vera extract, tea tree oil, purified water, propylene glycol, light liquid paraffin, dimethicone, glycerin, polysilicon 11, butylene glycol, xanthan gum and polysorbate 40. So urea is the main ingredients of the cream. Urea is the natural moisturizer factors that is available in the skin. Let's see which are the action of the urea. Urea acts as a humectant. That means it attracts and holds the water. So it acts as an intense moisturizer factor. It has keratolytic effect. That means it removes the dead skin from the skin. It also stabilizes the oil level of the skin. It helps to increase the skin barrier function. Urea increases the water uptake of the skin. And it has also antifungal activity. Now we see how to apply the Accuria HF cream. It is for the external use only. You need to apply on the affected area 2 times a day. First, gently wash and pat dry the affected skin or nail. There is an applicator available with the cream. You need to apply the cream evenly with the applicator on the affected area. You need to rub the cream until it gets absorbed. Let's see how to store it. You need to store it below 25 degree and do not freeze it. Do not apply this cream in open wounds and the infected lesion. You should avoid application of this cream on face, particularly on lips, on mouth, inside the nose and on ear. Avoid application of this cream in private area. If you have the allergy to the urea, do not apply this cream. Now see which are the side effects of the Accuria HF cream. It is safe cream, but you may feel sometimes the itching, burning, irritation, or stinging sensation. If you feel any of the above side effect, then immediately stop the cream and consult your doctor. The best and most widely used indication of this cream is cracked feet. That is particularly more common on winter. For the best result in cracked feet, wear the socks after applying this cream. It will give wonderful result. If you have any question or query regarding Accuria HF cream, you can ask me in comment section. To watch informative and educative videos on skin and hair related problem, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.